Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we are talking about BK Beauty brushes, in particular my top 5 that I could not recommend more. I told you guys during my top 5 rephr brushes video that I was going to be doing a video over BK Beauty and I am not going to disappoint. I know that natural hair brushes are not for everybody, which is why I wanted to be sure to give you guys a synthetic option. You guys know I use rephr and BK Beauty pretty much equally here on my channel, and I definitely have my favorites within both brands. I think you guys know that by now my most favorite foundation brush is the BK Beauty 101. You guys have seen me use this numerous times and for good reason. It is the best foundation brush that I have ever used. Even better than my It Causemetics Love is the Foundation brush that they release every year. This is the one, guys, that I gravitate towards. And I have 4 others that I cannot wait to share with you. I have, let's see, let me just show them to you guys really quick. So that was the BK Beauty 101 foundation brush. This is the BK Beauty 108 brush, and this is just a small tapered brush that you're gonna see me use for multiple things in a few minutes. The 3 eye brushes that I absolutely love and never wanna be without are these 3 beauties right here. This first one is the BK Beauty 203, and this is like your little brush that you can use to pack on shadows with. So I'll definitely be showing you how I use this to get today's look. The second brush is the BK Beauty 201. If you are looking for a nice fluffy blending brush to really blend out your transition shade, your crease color, this eyeshadow brush is phenomenal. It makes blending out so seamless, so easily. This is such a good brush. And then finally is the BK Beauty 204 brush. This is just a really tiny little brush that I use along the lower lash line. I just use it to smudge out the shadow or liner, or I use it to pack on liner. And you don't have to just reserve it for the lower lash line. You can most definitely use this to kind of line and smudge out the upper lash line. But I seem to always reach for this when I'm going to be applying shadow to the lower lash line. It is fantastic. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this full face of makeup using these 5 makeup brushes. And of course, guys, I will have everything that I am using in today's video linked in the description box down below. Some of these links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up purchasing, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. And let me just throw this out there, guys. I do have a code. I have a code with BK Beauty. It is Steff10, and that saves you 10% off of your order. It is not an affiliate code. I do not make any money if you use that code. It's just for you guys to save. So just throwing it out there. I will have it in the description box as well. And let's get started, guys. If you want to see my top 5 BK Beauty brushes in action, keep on watching. The first brush I'm going in with is the BK Beauty 101 Contoured Foundation Brush. This brush retails for $34 on the BK Beauty website. It says that this is the ultimate foundation brush to provide natural looking flawless coverage from your favorite liquid or cream foundations. I love this brush so much. I love to stipple my foundation on with it. I feel it really gives me a nice full coverage no matter what type of foundation I am using, but I do prefer this for, of course, liquid and cream-based foundations. But I'm also going to show you how to use this brush in a couple other ways in today's video. By far, this is my most favorite BK Beauty brush, and it is definitely my most favorite foundation brush. The next brush I'm going in with is the 108 Precision Powder. This retails for $30, and it says that it is the perfect size and shape for setting under the eye, which you're seeing me do right now, and for placing powder exactly where you need it. It is the ideal brush for dusting highlight where the light naturally hits the face as well. And you're definitely going to see me use this as a highlighter brush in a couple minutes. Guys, you can do so many things with this brush. You can highlight, you can place powder, maybe even do a little bronzing, maybe like a nose contour. This is that small little brush that you definitely need to have in your stash. Now I'm going back in with the 101 Contour Foundation brush. I'm going to use this to apply my cream bronzer as well as my cream blush. This brush provides the perfect amount of density to apply these cream-based products in a stippling motion to where you get the ultimate blend and flawless look. Now I'm going back in with the 108 Precision Powder brush to apply a little bit of my Catrice Sungasm highlighter. This is a great highlighter, and this brush applies it beautifully. The first eye brush I'm going in with is the 201 Blended Crease brush. This retails for $18. In my opinion, this is the perfect crease brush to really blow out your transition area and really get that seamless blend that you're looking for in the transition and the crease. You really can't go wrong when using this brush. It really does a great job of blending out your transition and crease shade. Taking the same 201 brush, I'm just going to use this to pack on a deeper shadow on the outer corner and slightly into the crease. This brush not only gives you a seamless transition area, but it can really help you define the outer corner without being very precise, just giving you a really nice smoked out effect. Next, I'm going in with the 203 shader brush, and I'm using this brush dry to apply our first shimmer shade. This is a fantastic brush that I use for packing on shadows and even slightly blending things into the crease and onto my crease. I've just used this brush in so many different ways, and I cannot say enough great things about this brush. Now I'm going in with the 204 Smudget Brush. This retails for $15, and this is the brush that I use whenever I'm going to apply shadow to my lower lash line. This brush definitely lives up to its name as being a smudger brush because you can smudge out your shadow or your eyeliner either on the top or lower lash line. Same 204 brush, but now I'm using this to apply an inner corner highlight. All right, guys, and this is the completed look. Keep in mind, I used all BK Beauty brushes to do this full face of makeup, minus my concealer, which I went in with a damp beauty sponge, but everything else was done using BK Beauty brushes, my top 5 BK Beauty brushes. I will have each of those brushes linked in the description box in case you want to pick them up individually, but I will also link a couple sets that I recommend you all checking out, as well as the eyeshadow palette that I used today. I cannot be happier, guys, than to have BK Beauty in my stash. I am in South Texas, South Texas native, and BK Beauty is based up in Austin, Texas, so I am always down to help a small business, especially a Texas small business. So now I want to hear from you guys. What did y'all think of the BK Beauty brushes that made my top 5 list? Did I pick some of your favorites? Or maybe you've never tried the brand at all. I highly encourage you to do so. I don't think you're going to be disappointed, guys, with any of these brushes. If you're looking for a nice synthetic brush set that's not going to break the bank, but it's still going to give you the look and feel of luxury, BK Beauty is where it's at. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.